Hello winners and welcome to another weekly forecast for gold, Aussie USD, EURUSD, Pound USD, USDCAD and USDZAR. In this video we're going to go through entries, targets, stop losses and risks in relation to the pairs that we'll go through, mostly USD. Trading Forex is risky. Not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. That means that this market is high risk, high reward. So you can gain a lot of money and you can lose a lot of money. So risk little and don't invest money you cannot afford to lose. And also, this video is only for educational purposes. This is not to be considered to be investment advice. My name is Ewinningstrategy. I am a forex trader and an economist. I do hold a master's degree and yes, I have traded forex for years, so I believe I am very experienced to tell you what I believe about the market, teach you and also help you. I do help and mentor students, so if you want to join along, that's the way to go. For gold, let's go. For gold. So what was our plan? Plan was this. That plan is actually failed by this new low here. This has now turned not turned, it was never bearish. It was just we were hoping for a leg up for buyers. That didn't happen. Now we are like, that's not necessarily just unfortunate, that's very irritating. So we will just wait, see. As buyers, sellers have this amazing opportunity now to take it down up to either to 66 or to 72, and then take it down to 1442, and then in the end maybe by 12th. So the whole thing here is now they are front running a future rate increase. No, rates cuts, right? That means dollar going strong. This means going down. So I'm just waiting for that to happen and then make a double bottom. Then going higher. Oh, that was I can't do it now. And then double bottom, higher, low, going higher. I will do it better next time. So that's the thing. Buyers are not allowed to buy here. We're out. We're waiting unless it breaks above 1480. Yeah, we can discuss it. But right now in this current market where it closed, we will wait. Nothing else. Just look at it. Just look at it. And when price goes back down to the buy price again, not a good sign at all. Though it can go up here in the end, but that doesn't mean anything. So yeah, now I'm just discouraged. I was taken out by stop loss and we got a lot of profit in the group this week. Amazing entries and yeah, good. So what is this? This is the sell price for the month of December. This is the weekly sell price and this is consolidation. This can break up, it can break down. Well, when dollar is now getting stronger, is this going down? Yeah, maybe. But Aussie seems to be very strong as of late. So I don't know, maybe a range. But if it's going down to 70, 0.675. But then if it goes higher, target is 69 flat. The risk here is dollar going strong and Aussie going strong. That doesn't mean a lot, as you have seen now. It's just going sideways. Even though all the other pairs went south on Monday, not on Friday, that means dollar Aussie is also strong, and that doesn't make me very interested to buy or sell this pair. So currently, I would say wait to see a breakout and then trade your direction, either buy or sell depending on where it breaks out. EURUSD, we also had a good entry here, took profit here. I took profit up here-ish, and I got some 4 pips out of it. And why? Because of this. Well, I exited after this close, where it went high, good, down there, very bad, up here again, double top, and here we are, lower. That means sellers are engaged and kicking off that, I guess, or something, until it goes lower. Target is 972, 974, 972. So what I wanted to say about, I forgot about stop losses on the other ones. So stop loss is also 50 pips. 50 pips on Aussie, in whatever direction you would love to buy it, sell it in. And gold, I would say 100 points, right? 100 points, that's just standard. And then for euro, you do 50 pips, and buyers are not allowed to buy now. Well, why can't you say it is a higher low? Because this move is very strong. It's where you shift. It goes lower than previously. If it goes above again, I will be happy to start buying it again. But when you see, for example, here, can you see that? when you when you see here, it's going higher. It goes lower again, then it kicks off. This move here goes from a high and goes straight down. And it is off the sell price for the month of December in a bearish market. I'm not going to, this is the price to challenge the bearish move. This, no, I'm not going to challenge it as a buyer. So sellers, and if it goes higher, fine. But that is my conservative plan. And also when traders start pricing in the rate cut on Aussie, no, on USD, I'm not going to fight it. I'm not going to fight a train that is coming. Buyers, take profit, done. I can't do anything more about it. Target is, what is it? 134, and we have risk of the election 12th. When is that? That is it next week? The week after that again? Yeah, it's Thursday next week. So that will definitely make this pounds move, and that makes me stay off. And because it can go either way. Though it's been strong, though it's broken out, though it can go higher, though it can go lower, now it's over for buyers. That can also mean sell off. But since we don't know the election results ahead, it will be highly influential by the polls that is coming out, and that can come out at any time you want. So you be stopped before you even know it. So yeah, for this week, I can say, okay, fine. Target for sellers is 128,800, and target for buyers is 132,900, with an instrument target of 134 or short of 134. Yeah. Target for month is 127,500. That's what I can tell you. I have no idea where this is going, so I don't really want to talk about it anymore. I don't want you to be engaged into anything. Yeah. That's the sell price for the month. That's the target for the week. That is a very good. Oh, crap. That's a very good run for your buck. And now it went back up again. I hope you took profit here, 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 here. And now it escalated up again. Well, what do you say now, sailor? I say that is bearish. But could USD just take it up because it's strong? Yes, it can. And is this a perfect entry of the buy price? Not at all for the month. Not at all. Nicht good at all. But if it doesn't break below this structure here, it's still bullish. But then it all depends on your eyes. That is a sell price. That is a buyer price. Make your way out of it, or don't trade it at all, and see where it goes. Target is 131 to 50 and 133.70. Have 50 pips stop loss. Have fun, and don't risk money you can afford to lose. This is a market where this is a sell, and down here it's a buy. We shall see who wins in the end. USDZAR has hit take profit last week. Boom! As Euro did, Aussie did, New Zealand did, AUDUSD did. How many else? Pound USD did as well. So everyone went into the the entries. No, take profits. Oh, as I wanted it to. Okay. So this is the buy price for the month. This is the sell price for the month. It has never been here even, but it's kind of ranging. Do you think that is going higher, Ivan? Yeah, maybe. Well, USD is going stronger, so this could turn up. But we're still bearish. So, are you still in a sell? Yeah. Okay. So target for next week is 114.46. 114.46, 800 maybe. For buyers, it's definitely going to be 14.76.40. But also, now we are in a smaller range like last week, so small targets. This can break out either way, but just to remind you, 14.32 for 13. 14.33 is the target for sellers. Okay. So this week I'm more cautious. We'll only sell. So we can sell from as high as 14.66 down to 14.46, 47. I think that's good. Okay? Thank you. Then I would say I'm soon going to do a giveaway for my mentorship course. So if you're here at the end, I must thank you for being here at the end. I hope you have got a lot of value from this webinar. But then comment below that you have seen this. Type in mentorship below in the comment section, then I know who has been here. Maybe we'll give a treat to you. Maybe we'll favor you. Maybe we'll get candy. Maybe. At least I want to know to see who is here. It's coming soon Christmas. Maybe we'll do something for you. I don't know. Maybe. We shall see. So if you're here at the end, please comment below mentorship, and we will. Santa Claus is coming this year as well. Thank you for coming. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I hope you have gotten entries. I hope you have gotten targets. I hope you have got some stop losses and also heard about risk. Risks are the USD being priced in for rate cut. That means gold is strong. That's why it really moved. It was really a good number on the NFP on Friday, so that really surprised me. So until next time, be safe. Don't risk money you can don't afford to lose. Amazing.